There are many great things you can do for cooking meat. Salt and pepper is great. Sometimes you want something with some extra flavor, extra kick of flavor. So we came up with our Mojave Heat rub, which has some smoky flavor to it, some sweetness to it, some spice to it. It's so easy to use because all the ingredients are there already. You can just pour it on the meat beforehand with some olive oil. It doesn't need to sit for a long time marinating. So it makes it so simple and quick, especially those times when you just need to grill right away when no one knows what's for dinner. Especially like a sirloin flap that just takes 8 minutes each side. You can just put the olive oil and the rub beforehand on the meat and just grill it right away on medium to high heat. And it turned out delicious. And it's really simple and fast, and we really hope you try it.
Let's go ahead and make this sirloin flap with a Mojave Heat rub. Since the sirloin flap is rather a long piece of meat, I like to slice it up into 3 smaller portions. You want to take each of the pieces and slather some olive oil onto both sides. This will both add to the flavor of the meat as well, and you'll thank me later because it helps the meat not stick to the grill. Give it a generous rub-a-dub-dub on each side, don't be shy, and just kind of pat it onto the meat as you go to make sure it's on for the ride. Preheat your grill to medium-high. Get the grill going to around 500 degrees. You're going to want to grill 8 minutes each side for a total cook time of 16 minutes. When do you turn the meat? Sometimes I'll turn the meat only once at the 8-minute mark. Sometimes I'll turn the meat every 2 minutes, and sometimes after every 4 minutes. All of this depends on your personal preference, as long as whatever you do comes at around 8 minutes each side. The meat might stick to your hot grill for a bit, but since you used oil, it should come off relatively easily. Plus, I know I'm going to get those delicious looking grill marks. Here I started flipping after the 2-minute mark. That's the mood I was in. I think it's been 4 minutes each side now. Huge pro tip here. That little hot dog grill above the main grill is not just for hot dogs. It's above the grill and therefore it creates indirect heat, which is a great place for some cuts of meat to hang out while the other pieces are finishing on the main grill below it. So always keep in mind that you have that extra grill while grilling if you have that hot dog attachment on your grill. And take advantage of it. It's been 8 minutes each side and everything looks amazing. It's a great idea to check the temperature with a thermometer, but honestly, sometimes I just rely on the 16-minute cook time for my sirloin flap. Works like a charm, and you can't go wrong.
It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. Cause baby, I feel real good and I wish I would. Watch out now. It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. Everybody watch out. Watch out now. I'm ready for a good time, and I came to groove. The whole band's here and we came to move. Got a fresh haircut and 2 new shoes. We're here all night like we got nothing to lose. Coming out the jacket cause we're turning up the heat. I wanna see you clapping when you get up out your seat. It's time to make it happen when we hit these streets. I'm coming in hot and I can't be beat. Watch out now. Baby, watch out now.